So this is the website we are going to use. So here I have given a lot of programs. So please go through this. See, drag and drop by, and I have given a lot of scenarios here. See, menu handling. So, and then we have given so many examples here. Go through all of them. So, and practice. So this is the scenario name I have very clearly described here. Try it out. So if you try on different websites, you will get a lot of scenarios, multiple actions program. So I'll try to do this also. Multiple actions, how to do, I'll show you this. And then, so we have open link in new tab, new window using key Selenium. So how to do that? This also we need to do. And so with Selenium 4, how to do also, we'll see that. Okay, so let's go and do this. How to this is the website we are practicing now. Menus. Sir, what is this? Nothing is there, right? Yeah, you have. Just right click. So you will get share. Then you need to click on Twitter, Instagram, Dribble, Telegram. So every time you need to perform the right click, share, click on Twitter. See menu item, Twitter has click. Right click, share, Instagram. See menu item, Instagram, click. Share, right click, dribble. If menu item dribble is clicked. Right click. So share, Telegram. Menu item, Telegram, click. So that is the test case. So how can you perform the right click operation? How can you perform the right click operation? You're not reading it all completely. What happened, Monica, Harikam? Before you were so active, nowadays completely stopped. What's going on?
So we are pending work is also be completed pronounced.
సార్ అది టెస్ట్ ఏంజి కొద్దిగా టఫ్ అనిపిస్తుంది ఎందుకు మరి స్టార్టింగ్ నుండి చేస్తుంది
Test ng. That's what. If you're not reading, that's going to be tough. Did you practice the JUnit?
Yes, sir.
ఎస్ సార్
Then what is the difference? The same, right?
అంటే అంత పర్ఫెక్షనెస్ రాలేదు సార్ అందుకే బాగా నేర్చుకోవాలని సబ్జెక్ట్ అయితే వదిలిపెట్టలేదు సార్ ప్రాక్టీస్ రోజు చదువుతున్నాం మళ్ళీ స్టార్టింగ్
Okay. 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 So we can do with the ContextClick method. ContextClick will do a right click operation on any element. element or where the cursor is there also you can right click. Let's see how to do this right click operation. Say I'm just right clicking. Then menu open. Then menu I'm mouse overing. Then I'm getting all these options. You have to get all these options. Right? These are also options, but you have to right click on share only. So if you observe here, uh, so you can right click, first right click developer tools you need to open. How can you open developer tools? Shortcut is F12, okay? Function F12. If you do function F12, the developer tools will open. This is called developer tools. Please remember this. This entire thing is called developer tools. Console, network tab, performance, application tab. So all these are the developer tools. Okay. So when you right click, this is the share menu. See UL share menu. This is a UL. It is yeah. See menu item share. This share menu. So UL dot share menu. So in this you have all Twitter, Instagram, Dribble. So you have to get all these options into list. So first you have to get all these options. First you have to right click, okay? So context click you do, and then get all these options into list, and then iterate all of them. So one by one we'll iterate first. Let's get all these options first, okay? These options into a one collection. So let me write the CSS selector. I'll write a CSS selector. See this one, if you copy, what it will show. Share menu, then li, right? ul dot. So dot share menu I have written this one class. So this one I have written this one. Next, what is there? Li tag. So let's put li tag. Li, then li tag after you have span to represent that. See how many we got? 4 elements. How many we got? 4 elements. These are the 4 elements. These are the 4 elements. Okay, see it's highlighted. So those 4 elements we got into one collection. Then we are good now. Let's create a new test case. I'll create a new test case. Let me create a new test case. Copy. Paste. Menu and right click. Okay, both of them. menu and right click. So both of them. So we are doing that. You said that before class, after class same. Only test method, only one test method we are doing. Remaining, let me delete. What is the URL? Let's take this URL. This is the context menu. So verify the page title. So what is this page title? Go to head tag, get title, right click context menu. Soft asset will take care, and this hard asset I am removing completely. Now fetch all the elements, okay? Fetch all the elements into list collection. Fetch
Collection.
share menu items. Fetch share menu items into list collection. Comma true. So list
Web element. Share menu.
share menu items.
Driver dot find elements.
Driver dot find elements. So then by dot CSS selector.
CSS selector.
So UL dot. I'll just copy this, okay? Whatever we have it. This is also fine. But if you want a tag name, this attribute value before, if you want tag name, you can put that, not an issue. So import and then remove this.
Size. Report log dot size.
So I'm going to iterate this, okay? I'm going to iterate, right? Let's iterate. So iterate the list collection. Share items list collection. Okay, I'm iterating. But we already, I think we created actions. You don't need to create again. I can reuse that. So here you have to for web element.
Collection
So
name.
element colon collection name.
Collection.
So then you have to, so what we need to do? So we have to
Element.
perform the right click operation on the page first. You have to perform the right click operation on the page first. So first perform the right click operation. Reporter.log to perform right click operation on the page. So act.contextClick. So driver dot find element. So by dot tag name. Tag name is body tag. Body tag represents the entire page. So dot perform. I right clicked. Then move the cursor to the share element. So reporter dot log, move the cursor to share element. So then act dot move to element, right? Not move by offset. Move to element. So which element you need to move? Share element. So find element. So by dot CSS selector. So this share element you have to move. So say menu item. If you see this share element, right? This one. See menu item share. So this is the one I have to give. Menu item share. So li dot. So this class value. Li dot class value. Will this correct or wrong? Hmm? Is this correct? Hmm?
CSS selector.
Here the spaces should not be present, right, in the
Wrong
class.
thread.
Next, click on each element. So click on this each element. So reporter dot log. Click on each element. Click on each element. That is true. So element dot click. So once you click on element, what is happening? Observe this. So you are getting the message, right? This message you need to capture. What is that? Message. So p hash message. P hash message. So I'm going to use this one variable I'll take string message locator equal to p hash message. I'll wait for that message. Okay, I'll wait for that message. Wait dot until expected conditions dot
Present dot.
visibility of element locator. I need to wait for the visibility of that message. So I had to use wait for the visibility of message locator. I'm waiting for that. Okay. Then if element dot get text dot equals ignore case Twitter, then string Twitter message equal to, so driver dot find element, so by dot CSS selector message locator dot get text. String expected message So what is your expected message? This is the one, right? Okay. I need to get this. This is the expected message. Okay. Then you assert it. So SA dot assert equals Twitter message, comma, expected message. That's it. Then you can say simply reporter dot log Twitter link is verified. Same way you implement for other elements also. Else if. Or what is the second one? Instagram, right? So second one is Instagram. Just change here, Instagram. So I can change this message. It's okay. This is a message. I think I can put actual message otherwise, so that it will be easy, right? So no need to change every time. Actual message. Actual message. Then simply say Instagram link is verified. Okay, similar way. Else if this one. So what is the next one? Dribble. Dribble. Dribble link is verified. So next last one. Else if okay. Okay, all these messages has to be changed, right? Instead of this, you can put here Instagram instead of dribble. You can put a dribble instead of this Telegram. We are just clicking in the Telegram. Telegram is, that's it. So this is the whole program. We need to do that. So everything is done. Yeah, perfect. All are done. Twitter, Instagram, Dribble, and Telegram. So any questions here? Okay, perfect. So let's run this program. So menu handling is done, and also right click operation we are doing with the context click method. Let me run this. What happened? Why it's not showing? Enabled equal to false. And also this I have to say menu and right click operation test. Menu right click operation test. Okay, that's all. So let's run this now. That's it. All the menus and both we covered. Okay. Okay. Please practice all these programs and then come back. So with this we are done with the actions methods. All the actions methods I have covered. Context click I covered, double click I covered, move to element I covered, click and hold we covered, drag and drop by, perform method, release method. Only one, so few more methods I'll cover tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Any questions?